Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with this book. This is a book of ML Agrawal for class 11 CBSE board with code 241. We are dealing with the exercise 6.4 related with the geometrical progressions. Question 18, second part. 6.4 exercise. ML Agrawal, the name of the book for class 11th CBSE board, code number 241, related with geometrical progressions. Question number 18, second part. Question number 18, second part. We are given that if A, B, C, D are in GP, if A, B, C, D are in GP, prove that B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square plus B minus B whole square, this will be equal to A minus B whole square. This is to be proved provided we are given the conditions that A, B, C, D are in GP. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. First of all, we see what are the conditions given to us that can be used in order to prove this equations. We are given these are the conditions. Conditions what? What are the conditions? That B square will be equal to AC and C square will be equal to BD. Isn't this? B square is the middle of AC, will be square of this will be the product of these two. Square of this will be the product of these two. Okay, these are the conditions given to us. We have to use these two conditions. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is A minus B whole square. That is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 times AD. This is to be proved. This portion is to be bring in equal to this one. Now right hand, this is left hand side. We are taking left hand side. Left hand side is B square, B plus C whole square plus C minus A whole square plus D minus B whole square. This is to be proved equal to this. It is not still to be proved. Up here, what is this? Left hand side, we are dealing with left hand side. It is to be proved equal to this. This is B square, can be written as B square plus C square minus 2BC. Okay, opening the square of this bracket. Similarly here, C square plus A square minus 2CA, and this is also can be written as D square minus plus B square minus 2DB. Okay, up to this we have to bring A so that we will not touch this. A square is here and also D square. This is not to be touched. Okay, AD is not here. We have to somehow bring 2 times AD by subtracting or adding whatever the conditions are there. Everything is to be cancelled. Only remaining to be only this is to be break. How we can do it? B square. B square is equal to AC. It means in place of this B square, we can write AC. This is AC. And this is also B. This is also plus B square. This is also HC. It means in place of this, these two B square, we can write 2 times AC. Okay. This is B square is AC plus C square minus 2BC plus C square plus A square minus 2AC plus D square This further can be written as BC. AC. B square is equal to AC. Minus 2 BC. 2 dB. Okay. This AC plus and this 2 AC, these get cancelled. Or we can say this BC, this BC and this BC get cancelled, equal to 2 AC. Remaining with a 2 AC square. 2 C square minus 2 PC. This get cancelled. This plus A square plus D square minus 2 dB. Okay. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, and this get cancelled. C square and C square, 2C square minus 2B square plus A square plus D square minus 2DB. Okay, clear. Now, D square, 2C square. 2C square is what? BD. 2C square is this. C square is equal to BD. And this is 2C square means 2BD. This also get cancelled. Now we are having simply A square plus D square minus 2BC. We are having A square plus D square plus 2AD, not BC. We have to find the value of BC. What we can do? In order to do this, let us suppose we are given B square is equal to AC and C square is equal to B. B square, C square will be equal to A, B, C, D. One BC get cancelled. This we will get 80. It means in place of BC, we can write 80. Then this will be equal to A square plus D square minus 280. This is equal to right hand side, equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Special attention is to be paid over here. This B square and this B square. This B square is equal to AC, it means 2B square is equal to 2AC. This is B square, we are having 2AC cancelled. Similarly, C square is equal to BD. It means C square plus C square, 2C square, and this is BD. This 2 get cancelled. We are simply having the left only these three terms. This. A square plus D square minus 2BC. A square plus D square minus 2BC. Only these three terms will remain in left hand side. Now here we are having A square equal to D square is also, but not we are having BC in place of this should be minus in place of AD. So that now we are using that B square is equal to AC and C square is equal to BD. B square C square is equal to ABCD. BC cancel. It means 1 BC is equal to AD. Okay, this is to be proved. This will become equal to left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, very interesting question. Keep enjoying my videos. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Please, this create the motivation for me. Thank you. Good luck. Good night.